Get.
I'm trying, nigga.
I've been told this boy, take the handcuffs off.
What's up, NZ Nation?
It's your girl, Nee.
And it's your boy, Zavi.
And today, you guys,
we back again with another banger. You feel me?
So today, you guys, we'll be doing the
Handcuff for 24 hours. This is gonna be terrible, y'all guys.
And y'all can tell by the title, you guys should already know what this video is about.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna be going everywhere with these on, and we're gonna see who can last the longest.
Yes, sir. I'm finna win. You might well comment down Team Zavi because y'all know I'm about to win.
You probably will win because I probably gonna have to use the bathroom.
Yeah, and you know we can't. No. But before we get to the video, you guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Make sure you check out the description.
Yes, and follow us on all social media platforms.
I was gonna say that, but I didn't know you was gonna follow me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the support.
Thank you for the 700 subscribers. We on the road to 800 already, you guys. We at 730 something right now as we speak.
Let me go check.
You feel me? But and we got our first 1K on our last video. So if you haven't seen that, you need to go check that.
Yeah, it was a story time about
how we met each other parents. Yeah, 734. Yes, sir. We on the road to 1K. We almost there. All right, you guys. We made it to the store. You feel me? And you see, as you can see, we locked in. You feel me? How you gonna get out the car?
Oh,
you gotta come over here, boy.
You getting out on my side.
That mean you holding the cat. Oh, we gotta wear masks, ain't it? We ain't got to, do we?
Not really.
I'm gonna throw mine on, you feel me? I hope they can hear us with the mask on.
They better. Can y'all hear me?
Mask deflected and stuff. I can't do nothing. All right, you guys. So
it's hot as fuck already, and we ain't even.
We gotta yeah, cut off the car. So
you getting out of my.
Obviously, I guess so.
People gonna be looking at us like we stupid.
No, people gonna look at us. Damn, they gonna think the door don't work. Come on, man.
Our door work, people. I want to go in here for a mango, y'all.
Yeah, for a mango. So.
Somebody probably gonna think we prisoners done broke out of jail.
Girl with one thing on her arm. Come on. Oh, man. You gotta get the phone. I mean, yeah, you gotta get the phone.
I ain't gotta get.
Let's go. We gotta move at the same time.
I'm scared. I don't want people looking at me.
Come on, man. Don't move too fast now.
Get.
I'm trying, nigga.
You know what? We should have waited until we got out the store.
No, until we got the car.
I can't breathe.
How you can't breathe?
I got my dog on a leash.
I ain't no dog on no leash. So
I'ma just cover this up so nobody won't look at us.
Look at her. Like that ain't gonna work. I don't like this not one bit.
Me neither. But gotta get the people a video.
Yeah, you gotta get y'all a video. Get out what y'all want to see. You know, girl, stop. Just stop. You can't be swinging your arms like that. What mango at?
Right here.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, right when we walk in the store. All right, you guys, but we had to we had to cut it off because we didn't want to get copyrighted in the store. And yeah, so we gotta get in the car now. So come on. Let's go. So she about to drive, y'all, and we still handcuffed.
It's hot. Oh, I can't turn on the air.
You doing max AC? Oh yeah, what should I get from McDonald's though? Hey, what should I get? Comment down below.
The lightning is bad, and we're pulling up to the window right now, so he better make up his mind.
Yeah, comment down below. Y'all gotta see how I'ma eat.
Hey, you act big.
Well, they put me in when they started giving cups like that?
I don't know, but that's fine.
I swear that's fine. Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm hungry. Definitely what's up. Oh, my fault. I forgot you guys drive.
Y'all, I've been told this boy. Oh, don't mind my hair. I didn't do it today because I got school tomorrow, and there's no point putting all that gel in my hair for no reason. But I've been told this boy, take the handcuffs off. You wanna know? He said no. He always saying no. Okay. So he gonna deal with the freaking consequences.
No, I need my fries.
Nope. His fries feel like the bag. So guess who gotta deal with that? He don't mind me.
These fries fresh too, boy. God dang.
I told you when to take the handcuffs off. When to take the handcuffs off. What you said?
Do you my mom? We'll see y'all when we get to our next destination. You feel me? All right, you guys. We at the house, but I ain't getting out of the car because I'm not crawling across no seat. You feel me?
I'm too bad. I gotta go in the house to cut my mango.
You gotta go in the house now?
No.
Oh.
I can go in after you eat.
Oh.
But y'all, me and him about to eat.
I don't know what you about to eat. Cause I just got me a burger and some fries. That's like a little snack, cause
he a big boy.
I ain't no big boy.
Y'all, we was talking about not trying to body shame, but we were just talking about how big people can cook. And I said Rod Wave could probably cook a mean bowl of noodles.
I bet he can. He been eating his whole
Sauce
life.
that bit up.
He eating his whole life. Oh my goodness. That
They should have put onions on there.
Why?
You don't like onions?
I didn't make my breast stand. That's the only reason I don't like them. But y'all, you know, you gotta pray to the Lord before you eat your food. I do it all the time. You feel me?
Good man. I just gobble that bit down. God be with me the whole time. Sorry.
Amen. Bro, why was this? You was funny. They got little.
Onions on there.
I'm gonna eat that junk. I don't care.
Y'all want to see what I got?
Man, it's like a mukbang now.
Mm-hmm. Handcuff.
Alright, now you can't be moving like that now.
Yeah, he can't stop me. One hand on the burger.
Stop, man. I need my fries, huh? You should have got something, bro.
I ate McDonald's earlier.
So why you eating it again?
Cause you said the fries was fresh.
Boy, my fries, I'm gone. Nah? Yeah, them last one you get. I got them.
That big ass gulp.
What you talking about?
That is all.
That's so good, bro. I ain't eating nothing all there. But I have to go back to McDonald's.
It's 5:39.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna be hungry in an hour again. But this ain't gonna fill me up.
Y'all, how they put his drink in that cup? Made me want to drink that bit.
These don't bust. This fruit punch from McDonald's. Woo! That thing, but who told you I wanted salt on my burger?
Salt to that motherfucker.
Hey.
But y'all, we were so happy when we found out our little video blew up.
Right.
Unexpected.
That was unexpected. Cause I ain't been checking out subscribers. Alright, one night, someone just said, go to YouTube Studio. Man, I went to YouTube Studio. That thing said 900 something. Bro, I was gonna text her. But I said, no, I can't text her this book. Cause I need to see her reaction.
No, you say I wasn't gonna believe you. Don't lie to these people.
Oh yeah, she wasn't gonna believe me. So I had to call her.
I was like, for real?
I was on the game. And Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with her, but she might get knocked back. Give him a burger now.
I don't even eat burgers from McDonald's. Let me get a bite.
Okay, you don't eat burgers.
I want a small bite. I should have had onions on it. But yeah, to be honest, we just posted that video and we look back on it.
Yeah, we didn't look back on it. Like,
you know how like you just want to see how a video doing or something? We ain't do that. But every day since then,
we've been checking that thing like crazy, bro.
oh God.
We had 630 subscribers, right?
Mm-hmm.
At the time.
I'm about to show y'all how many subscribers we gained in one day.
It's just crazy, bro.
Okay, today's date is the 7th.
I don't think they can see that.
It ain't even focusing, but that big thing, we gained 34 subscribers on the 5th and 15 subscribers on the 4th. It's crazy. And then y'all see
we almost at 800 already.
But as you guys may know, we gonna be doing one video a week because we both are in school.
Yeah.
And
like before we was in school doing 2 videos a week, but that's when I wasn't playing sports because it was basketball. See, I didn't play basketball. But
I had games.
Yeah,
he did.
He had games. Now, how it worked, I don't know, but football, that ain't gonna work. I'm telling you, that ain't gonna work.
Yeah, cause he wasn't at the basketball practice, but he would attend the basketball game. But now he has to attend practice because he's a football player.
I might have to attend basketball practice this year too. I'm still debating on if I should play or not.
But yeah, he's a football player. I'm a cheerleader. So we're gonna be doing a day in the life of a cheerleader and a football player.
Might do it on the first game. I don't know. So, but you got the call. I'm done eating. So what we about to do?
Get out. See y'all when we get in the house so I can cut my mango.
Yep. She about to cut her mango, y'all. You gotta cut it with the hand, though.
I can't cut with my left hand.
Y'all, this bust, bro. What the world? This bust though, no cap.
If nobody ever told us our mangoes are good.
No cap, no kids out.
There we go. It's so good, y'all.
Oh, that girl cut that thing good. You ain't gonna drink that.
You want to eat it?
Why you ain't drink it?
Taste it. Have you ever tasted mango?
Tastes like that, but no, I haven't tasted out off of that. Well, just out the thing. Mangoes be busting though, for real. I just don't eat them like that because I ain't gonna say I barely eat fruit, but I don't never really have fruit.
I'm gonna show you how big a mango seed is. Just hold up.
I was trying to think of TikTok though, but I don't know no TikTok thing. I don't be on TikTok no more, so y'all couldn't see my hair because it's long, but yeah, y'all can see it.
Get some.
Let me be able to see you. Y'all know I was thinking that would be bust. Oh man, cause this fruit punch is so good, bro. Like, if fruit punch ain't been this good, and I don't know how long, man. They need to start putting it in these cups for real.
You think it's the cup?
Yeah, I think it's the cup. Y'all know when I was little, I I thought if you eat a fruit seed, well, just a seed period,
it was gonna grow inside you.
Yeah.
I used to think that too. I used to eat watermelon, saw watermelon could grow in my stomach.
And like I used to water it and all. Like I used to drink water and all. I used to act like I was watering it.
Yeah, I used to go lay outside in the sun. Cause you know they say plants need
Man,
the sun.
you wanna know what I used to do?
What?
I used to open my mouth so the sun get shot in my mouth.
No, I just used to lay outside.
Well, I used to open my mouth. Gay. It ain't never grew. I don't think you want to eat that seed, because that seed is kind of big, you know. What about to do?
Okay, so you guys, now I'm going to the bathroom to wash my hands. Yeah, my eye just go right here.
Yeah, y'all see this? See all the way over there.